Hello there. I hope we're all having a good day. Our first card is two of Michael, the unicorn spirit, and he says it's time to make decisions. The angels are trying to say that what we are doing is not listening to our inner wisdom. We're spinning our wheels on things that we want to do, and we're suppressing our emotions, always concerned about this one or that one or that one. We've got to make these decisions baby step, but move forward, and you'll find that they will open up doors and they will guide you. The universe is abundant with guidance and love and all kinds of things. Good health is coming to people that have been suffering for ages. Finances are getting better. It's a perfect timing. A positive, wonderful, stable, positive energy is around. The angels say, yes, you've made good choices. Don't stop. Keep going. And you will see the benefits of your positive energy that you're putting out there. Whatever you're busy doing and you feel it's not working out, trust the situation is going to improve. Sometimes we have to compromise, and that is fine. Compromise, it brings balance, and you will have emotional and happy fulfillment in your life. There's a lot of things that have been falling away that must fall away actually, so that we can enjoy the full extent of the abundance that the universe has for us. Keep going forward with a positive attitude of freedom, freedom of choice, freedom of life. Carry on nurturing yourself. It's very important. Stay aligned with your higher self and with deep gratitude for everyone and everything in your life. The last card under the pack is the second yes, which very seldom happens. So this is very good energy with us here. And it's our card moving forward in a positive, free mode. We've got to believe this. And the last card is trust your intuition. I really believe it. I can feel it. I can see it. And I just wish it for everybody. Thanks for listening.